Justin Lobato here inside of the wonderful Autogeek show car garage, and we're here today to talk about Pinnacle Black Onyx Tire Gel. There is, a tire dressing that Pinnacle makes, and there's the tire gel. Now, personally, as a professional detailer, I like both. They both have their place. However, there is a personal preference. Some people like to spray a tire dressing. Some people like to hand apply a gel. I see the difference in the type of tire. For example, with a flat surface, a gel or spray will work both equally, as to where with a large tire that is really knobby with a lot of crevices and things going on with it, that's where a dressing may be easier to get into that and apply, so that way it satisfies the look that of course you're looking for. Overall, the prep process is the same. Basically, you're gonna wanna use the advanced tire cleaner to get that tire surgically cleaned, to remove all the browning, any existing tire dressings or gels that may be on the tire. And then of course, you're gonna move forward with taking the Black Onyx Tire Gel, applying it to foam applicator, and making your way around the tire with a single application. And I gotta tell you, with the thick formula, it definitely right out the gate gives you a very, very satisfying shine. Now, if you wanna let it set up for about 15 minutes or so and come back and apply an additional layer, that will advance the shine to get you a super glossy look, glass-like look in my opinion, from the gel aspect of it, to really give you that bling bling type effect that you might be looking for on your tires. Now, the great thing about this product, it is a polymer base being a gel, so this is gonna give you some great durability. Also, it's gonna help in regards to retaining the satisfaction of that gloss for the tire for a very long period of time, versus a couple days with some other products that may be on the market. This is gonna get you a couple weeks. So that's a great thing there without having to constantly revisit cleaning and shining your tires. This won't allow your tires to turn brown. So this is something that will save you from that pesky look over time. This is gonna satisfy, again, the look of the shine that you're looking for, and of course, the elegance of your vehicle overall. For more information about any of the Pinnacle line of products, or of course, the Black Onyx Tire Gel from Pinnacle, visit autogeek.com.